Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you for your support. In this tutorial we are going to see how we can deploy MySQL database in Docker. We will be also going through basics of SQL to create a database, how to create table and add data into the table. Also we will see how we can connect to the database from Windows machine through MySQL Workbench. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and provide your comments. If you run the command docker images, you can see that we don't have the MySQL images available. So first step is to pull the Docker images, so you can go to hub.docker.com and get the MySQL image details. Also it show that details on how you can run the MySQL container. Follow along. Let's start a new Docker container for the MySQL, using the docker run command. We are going to use -d to run the container in detached mode, also give a name to the container. MySQL uses the port 3306 by default, and use the environment MySQL root password to set the password which we will use to log into the MySQL database. I have given all the commands in the video description. Great! If you check the containers now using Docker PS, we can see that we have MySQL database container running. The next step is to SSH into the MySQL container using docker exec command. Then we will log into MySQL and will create new database. When you log into the MySQL using root account, use the password we have used at the time of creating the container. Also make sure that there is no space between P and the password. We can list the available databases using show databases, and we can create new database using create database and DB name. To delete the database, use the command drop database and DB name. So far what we have done is using command line in MySQL. You can also connect the MySQL database running in Docker container using MySQL Workbench on your Windows machine. For this, if you don't have MySQL Workbench, please install it and then connect to the database using the Docker IP address and root username password. Now once you have the MySQL connected using Workbench, we can run the database commands in the Workbench itself or can do it through command line also. Now let's create a new table in the DB with columns ID and name. First step is to use the database company, and then we'll create the table and add row to the table. Use the command insert into for adding the content on the existing table, team with value ID, and name. You can exit from MySQL and SSH container using exit command. I hope this tutorial is informative for you, and you can easily create a Docker container for MySQL to make use of it for your application. We will see in future video how to set up WordPress application using Docker container, and we will be using MySQL database in the setup for WordPress. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe to my channel.